First off, we will discuss what will happen if the Earth falls out of orbit. As we know, our Earth is constantly revolving around the Sun. But did you know what would happen if our Earth falls out of orbit? In today's Scientifically video, we will discuss what will happen if the Earth falls out of orbit. Stick around until the end to learn how long we could survive. Currently, Earth's gravitational forces are the only thing keeping us from falling out of orbit. If for whatever reason those forces stop working, we would gradually start to steer off towards the Sun. If Earth suddenly stopped orbiting, two things could happen. Either we would start moving towards the Sun or away from it. Neither is favorable. If Earth slowly stopped orbiting and veered off towards the Sun, then we would have a little over 2 months, or about 65 days until we meet our inevitable doom. Adish Bhatia, an award-winning science writer, has predicted the following model. By day 21, most crops and vegetations other than those in desert climates would perish as temperatures would rise up to 35 degrees Celsius. By day 35, the temperatures on Earth would be unbearably hot. Even if you had air conditioning, you would struggle to be comfortable. By day 47, the oceans and major bodies of water would start to boil. By this point, nearly all life on Earth would cease to exist. On the 64th day, we would fall into the Sun, and our planet would be ripped Earth. A shift in Earth's orbit away from the Sun, on the other hand, would cool and potentially freeze the planet. As we move further and further away from the Sun, our planet's temperatures would decrease rapidly. The days would also get darker and darker. The oceans would freeze over and be covered in ice. They would emit less carbon dioxide and vapor. All crops and vegetation would perish, as they would not have enough sunlight for photosynthesis. Eventually, we would reach the point where life on Earth would cease to exist, and planet Earth would become a rock of ice floating in the solar system. If Earth fell out of orbit, it would also cause a chain of destruction in the solar system, as it could crash into other planets and disrupt other planetary orbits as well.